Alright guys, today Lizzie and Joe and I are going to be showing you this clay bead bracelet making kit. It's going to have everything that you need in here to make some wonderful, marvelous bracelets. Lizzie is here for moral support. She is the bracelet maker in the house.
Yep.
She has been messing with this and checking it out. But first we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you guys what's inside so you can see what all you get. Alright, here it is. You can see you get 168 colors. It's for bracelets, necklaces, earrings. It's all clay beads and is for ages 6 and up. When you open it up, this is what's inside. You do have a small instruction manual to help you tie the knots you need for the bracelets. You're also going to get a whole bunch of different colored and different styles of beads. And we are going to show you all of them. You can see what they look like there. Here's the ones with the gold ones in your alphabets. Different symbols. As you can see, a ton of different ones to choose from. So you do get quite a variety. They do all come in these nice little reusable plastic cases to keep everything nice and organized and stacked for you. You also get the elastic string for your necklaces and bracelets. It's like the stretchy string that you're going to thread through the beads to make those wonderful designs. You also have these little clasps here. What are these for? Necklaces and bracelets? So they give you like the little metal style.
So you can like take it off and clip it back on.
So you can remove them like she says. You get a little pair of scissors. You get some tweezers for handling the individual clay beads. You get these specialty beads. These are like little hearts. Very cute. More elastic string. Here's some different jewelry add-ons like keys and hearts, seashells and other things made out of even a little turtle in there. So very cool. You also get the earrings. This is what you can put your clay beads on to make earrings if you choose to. So as you can see, it comes with everything that you need. This is actually a bracelet right here that Lizzie made with this kit right here. You can see how detailed the little clay beads are. The elastic string, as it is advertised, is stretchy. So if you're into making necklaces, earrings, and bracelets, you like using clay beads, this will be a great set for you. It's going to give you many, many options to make many different types of bracelets and necklaces. And overall, it's a very solid, complete kit. We hope this video helps. And thanks for watching.
Toodles.